Hi, good day to everyone. This shows wiring and operation of a safety relay, in a simple but explanatory way. Even though the emergency stop is pressed, the contact weld at its normally closed contact points can be held in its closed position, allowing the machine to run continuously. This will create a dangerous situation, risking the life of the operator, and can also cause severe damage to the equipment. Safety relays can effectively isolate quite dangerous machines when contact weld occurs either on input side emergency push button or on an output side contactor. These devices have become so widely used where safety functions have a role to play because of their compact design and high reliability. Go to the Electro Academy channel and look for the safety relay video, and you will learn a lot more with a nice animated illustration. Thank you.